Men fall in love faster than women. The more you ignore the one you like, the more you will fall for them. Females are better at multitasking than males. Girls are more likely to say, I am sorry, because they are more likely to think that they have done something wrong. If the crush on someone lasts more than 4 months, it is considered as love. Women lag at men they are attracted to, and men are attracted to women who lag at them. Men are more attracted to women wearing red. People loving people of opposite nature last for a longer period of time than loving people of similar nature. When a guy likes a girl, he will look her in the eye. When a girl likes a guy, she will look away. Women perceive bearded men as more attractive, more responsible, and potentially better parents. Someone who stays on your mind after months and years of no communication is the one who has your heart. Once you fall in love, those feelings never leave. Though you may no longer like that person, you will always care to some extent. Falling in love increases level of serotonin in your brain, causing obsession. Therefore, love actually drives people crazy. Pretending not to care is the habit of someone who generally cares the most. It is known as an emotional defense mechanism. The longer you hide your feelings for someone, the harder you fall for that individual. Missing someone causes insomnia. The frustration of being without that person keeps you awake at night. People who speak two languages may unconsciously shift their personalities when they switch from one language to another. 90% of people lag even harder when they try to explain why they are lagging. Going through sad experiences actually makes us smarter, and through that, we become better thinkers. Talking to yourself can make your brain work more efficiently. You never really know the true value of a moment until it becomes a memory. When people are angry at you, if you stay calm and try to get them even angrier and be ashamed about it after. A hug longer than 20 seconds will release chemicals into your body that make you trust the person you are hugging. If someone makes eye contact with you for 60% of a conversation, they are bored. 80% of the time they are attracted to you, and 100% of the time they are threatening you. Before sleeping, 90% of your mind begins to imagine stuff you would like to happen. I love you means that I accept you for the person that you are, and I do not wish to change you into someone else. When she is happy, she can't stop talking. When she is sad, she doesn't say a word. Everyone has 3 lives: a public life, a private life, and a secret life. People remember the first and last things you do, so make a good impression and end on a high note. Sometimes women choose silence to express their pain. You know she is truly hurt when she chooses to ignore you. Thanks for watching. Don't miss subscribe.